ingredients, guys. Super simple. Keep it simple, stupid. That's the way I remember everything, guys. You need 00 flour, you need ice cold water, you need salt, and you need yeast. You can have your option of fresh yeast if you get your paws on it, or you can use active dry yeast. And I'm gonna leave the link down to my recipe in the show more description box, all right, guys? And if you like this kind of stuff, why don't you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, click the bell icon, that'll notify you whenever we upload some new videos, and also like this video, like it. You ain't gotta love it, but you gotta like it. Let's do it. First things first, let's put in the water. And because I'm using fresh yeast, you want to grab it in your hand, and now you want to activate it by simply sticking it in the water and crushing it. And it just dissolves very smoothly. Just like that. Get all the little lumps, okay? Make sure there's no lumps, just like that. First thing first, half of our flour is gonna go in now. And you wanna add it little bit by little bit. All right? Nice and easy, not too fast. Let everything incorporate, all right? And we're not gonna add the salt until later, because the salt will actually kill the yeast. We'll be right back after we do the first half. All right, guys, now that we've finished with the first half of the 00 flour and everything is safely starting to mix, and we have this other half here, now let's go ahead and add our salt. And now the rest of the flour. Now what we're gonna do is let everything come together. You can see that the abobora, the pumpkin, is coming together. We're gonna check it when it's at the temperature of 73, 74 degrees, it's done. Hey guys, while we're here hanging out, waiting for this dough to get nice and formed and up to temperature, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button and subscription button, guys. Join Old Red in this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue. I've got a lot going on. We got Red Force One, we got a bunch of events. So join me, it's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. Peace. Now we're good, guys. Let's rock and roll. So now let's go ahead and take it out of the dough mixer, put it on the marble slab, get it all rolled up into a big ball, cover it with a little bit of olive oil, saran wrap, damp towel, and let it rest for 1 hour, guys. Do it. I'm gonna get all this dough out. And this is a properly hydrated dough at 64%, so it's hydrated more than most because I like it a little lighter, a little fluffier. That's why it's sticky. Now we're gonna put it all together here. Let's go ahead and bring it in. Now you're gonna work it around, put everything together until it doesn't stick anymore to the ground. flour to it just to get my hands not as sticky. Look, she's well hydrated. It's nice, nice and tight, nice and tight. There we go, guys. Now what we're gonna do, just a little bit. This is just so you don't dry it out. There we go. See how bouncy it is? It's that hydration. We'll see you in 1 hour. All right, my beautiful people. It has been just over an hour, hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's still gonna be amazing because the longer you let it proof, the better it's gonna be. But I wouldn't recommend for more than 2 hours for that first proof at maximum. And then after you make the balls, then you put them into the proofer. What you wanna do is double in size. But that's gonna be another video, okay? We're gonna just quickly take a look at what she looks like right now, and then I'll stop it here. But please, hit that like button, subscribe to Red on this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue, guys, and let's take a turkey peek. Let's roll. And that right there, guys, is how you make Napolitano style pizza dough at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, have a blessed day, and stay out of the quarantine. Peace!